Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Yunez Plans, and I am back with another memory spread. For this week, I will be using this gorgeous kit called Flower Market from Twolilbees. It is my first time ever using one of her kits, and it just might be one of my favorite spreads for this year. It's definitely up in the runnings, but oh my gosh, I fell in love with these colors. It's purple, it's rose gold, it's everything good in life. So springtimey, so florally. Anyways, but yeah, I love this kit. And without any further ado, I'm going to speed you guys up, lay down the base, and then get back to you with the day to day. Okay, so starting off on Monday, the first thing that I wanted to mark was that I had a plan with me go live on this day. So I pull in that midi square box with the floral accent from the layering page that I purchased as an add-on for this kit. I pull in some mini floral deco pieces from Honey Inked. The flourish is from Bloom Paper Studio. The mini planner is from Planning World, and the published script is from Ice Cream Joe. Then jumping down, I wanted to mark going to the gym, and I marked going to the gym the exact same way all week with these little mini confetti circles, confetti scallop circles from Meg B Makes, and these adorable little shoes from White Deer Stationery, which I thought matched the kit so perfectly. These are a new addition to my collection, and I already had to order several more sheets of them because I am obsessed with how beautifully these match this kit and how cute they are, and I was just obsessed. Okay, then I wanted to mark that I filmed some workouts for my personal training client, so I pull in a quarter box from the kit, and those dumbbells are from the Glitter Mama. And then jumping down, I really like how I marked this. So I wanted to mark going to my parents' house on this night. So with the layering add-on sheet that you can purchase with this kit, it comes with some floral frames and floral wreaths. And of course I wanted to pull them in because I was obsessed with all the florals in this kit. I just loved how bright and beautiful they were, and they were watercolor, and it was just everything beautiful and wonderful. But I didn't want to just use the floral frame on its own. So I pull in these little lace squares from Bloom Paper Studio, and I kind of stagger it to where you can see the floral of the floral box peeking through on each side. And then I added some of the wildflower mini deco from Honey Inked, and the little house is from the GP Studio. And I just really love how that turned out because I got to use the floral box, but I also got to add some foil to it, and I really like how it turned out. Then to cap off the night, me and my husband watched Deadpool 2 with a couple of our friends. It was our first time ever seeing that movie. I was obsessed with the first movie. I thought it was so funny, and then the second one, it was like it stayed right in line, and we had a lot of fun. So I pull in another quarter box from the kit, and the little chair with the popcorn is from Crafts by Towie. Okay, jumping over to Tuesday, I wanted to mark my HIIT class that I teach with my sister every week. And to do that, I pull in the scalloped quarter box from the layering page of the kit, and I kind of frame it in with two of the Meadow dividers from Honey Inked, or the Meadow half dividers from Honey Inked. And I really liked how that looked. It added some foil and gave a little pop of floral accent to it. Then I layered some florals from the kit, and I pull in a yoga mat icon from White Deer Stationery, and I just really love how that particular, I don't know, little doodad right there turned out. I thought it was really pretty. Okay, and then this was also my parents' wedding anniversary, and I wanted to mark that really, really special. So I do kind of the same trick that I did with the floral frame box and pull in the floral wreath and layer a lace circle from Bloom Paper Studio over the floral wreath. I pull in some of those streamers from Sadie Stickers and some sparkle deco as well. And the little icon is from a celebration sampler from Crafts by Towie, and the happy anniversary script is from Rose Colored Days. I was really happy with how that particular, I don't know, Mod Podge of things turned out. I thought it was really pretty. Okay, jumping down, I wanted to mark that me and my husband did a huge grocery run on this day. So I pull in another confetti circle from Meg B Makes. The grocery cart is from White Deer Stationery, and the grocery shop script is from my mom. It's a custom that she made for me. All right, so this day was really frustrating because there was like a storm that blew through, like a tornado literally touched down in our town, and it completely blew mine and my husband's lights out right as we came home from grocery shopping. So like we had all this frozen food and all this stuff that needed to be put into the fridge and needed to be put away, and our power was out, and it was like really frustrating. It's like just one of those things. So yeah, to mark the lights going out, I pull in another quarter box from the kit, some florals from the kit as well, and that little candle is from Crafts by Towie. Even though it was a, stinky situation, I wanted to make it look really pretty in my spread, right? Right. Okay, then to cap off the night, I did want to mark that I had a haul go live. So to mark that, I pull in one of the scallop layering circles from the deco add-on page. I layered that over top of a foiled vine from Honey Inked with some more Meadow Mini Deco as well. And that play button is from Sweet Bella XOXO. Okay, so jumping over to Wednesday, I pull in one of the half scallops from the deco sheet, and I layer that with a half meadow divider from Honey Inked and some florals from the kit with that little lipstick to mark getting ready, because me and my husband had an event that we had to work, which I am marking right here with a third box. I pull in one of the third box. I love that her boxes and her kits are really just simple. They match the colors of the kit, but it's whited out in the middle so you can add icons and whatever kind of foil you want to it, which is what I did here. I take some of that vine deco from Honey Inked and I cut it up and kind of just frame in the box. And then I pull in that little puzzle piece icon from White Deer Stationery because the event we were working was carnival games, and I figured, it worked, right? Right. The custom script is one that my mom made for me, so that's to mark the event that me and my husband worked. Okay, so then I wanted to mark going to a restaurant with a couple of our friends, and I marked that the same way that I marked going to my mom and dad's house with the floral frame box from the layering add-on sheet and the foiled scallop box from Bloom Paper Studio. And then I pull in some deco from Honey Inked, and the cutlery icon is from White Deer Stationery. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I made a get well card for one of our friends. He was in the hospital with lung problems. It was actually really, really scary, and we wanted to make him a giant card. We couldn't, me and my friends couldn't find one at the stores. Like, I guess they don't sell giant like get well cards. All we could find was like birthday cards. So I was like, okay, let me pull out my crafty banana hat and just make a giant card. So I spent the night making a card, and I marked that the same way that I marked my HIT class with a scalloped label, those meadow half dividers from Honey Inked, the florals from the kit, and that little pen cup is from Crafts by Towie. And then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that I did go to the gym, so I pull in another confetti scallop circle from Meg B Makes, some more shoes from White Deer Stationery, and the custom gym script that my mom made for me. All right, so jumping over to Thursday, the first thing that I'm marking is going to the gym once again, the exact same way that I marked it before. The scallop circle from Meg B Makes, the shoes from White Deer Stationery. I just loved how the colors and the little doodles matched so well in this spread from White Deer Stationery. I'm obsessed. I can't believe I slept so long on getting White Deer Stationery icons. Like, oh my gosh, what was wrong with me? But anyways, jumping down, I wanted to mark that I did laundry on this day, so I pull in another quarter box from the kit, some more florals, and that little fold clothes icon is from Crafts by Towie. Then I wanted to mark that me and my husband went back to the grocery store because we realized we forgot to pick up a pot roast and we wanted to make pot roast on this day. So I pull in another layering scallop circle from the layering page. I layered some vine deco from Honey Inked over that. The little grocery bag is from Planning World, and all the custom scripts in this spread are from my mom. They're ones that she just made for me. No, she doesn't have a shop. These are just scripts that she makes for me. So I'm sorry if you guys like them. Anyways, okay, jumping down, I wanted to mark that I watched the first Die Hard movie with my dad and my husband. I had never seen the Die Hard movies before, and my dad like almost lost his mind. He was like, "You haven't? We have to watch them." So to mark that, I pull in one of those MIDI boxes with the florals on them. The little TV console icon is from Crafts by Towie, and I layer some florals behind that just to give it a little bit more oomph. Later on, I do add a piece of floral, a mini floral deco from Honey Inked in the center of the TV. But yeah, I really liked how I marked that. Then I wanted to mark that me and my husband made pot roast in our slow cooker. So I marked that using another scallop label layered with the half meadow dividers from Honey Inked and a crock pot icon from White Deer Stationery. Then to cap off the night, I did go to Ross with a friend of mine. She needed some help finding a dress for her graduation, which was the next day. So to mark that, I pull in a layering arrow and a sale tag icon from White Deer Stationery. Okay, jumping over to Friday, I am marking my Zoom class. So I pull in another one of the half scallop circle things from the layering page, some florals from the kit. Those dumbbells are from Crafts by Towie. The half meadow divider is from Honey Inked. And the custom Zoom class script is from my mom. Then I wanted to mark that I went to the gym with a good friend of mine, so I pull in another scallop circle from Meg B Makes, the shoes from White Deer Stationery, of course, and I'm not going to be redundant, you guys know where the script is from. Okay, and I said this in my last Playing With Me, but I started playing tennis with another friend of mine every week. She has a tennis court in her neighborhood, and she used to play tennis like in high school, and she was actually really, really good at it. And we've been trying to like start doing weekly tennis together. You burn so many calories playing tennis. Like I used to not be really good at it. I'm still not really good at it, but I feel like the more that I play, the better that I'll get. I don't know. I'm really liking it. So to mark that, I pull in another quarter box from the kit, some florals, and then the tennis racket is an icon from Crafts by Towie. Then I wanted to mark getting some Happy Mail in a really pretty way using another floral wreath, and that lace circle is from Bloom Paper Studio. All of the mini deco is from Honey Inked, and the little mailer Happy Mail icon is from Crafts by Towie. Then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark filming this plan with me, so I pull in this beautiful half box. I love the floral detailing at the bottom. The icon is from Crafts by Towie, and of course, you guys know where the script is. Anyways, jumping over to Saturday, I wanted to mark that this was a lazy day for me and my husband. We kind of just had a lazy morning, which was really nice. So to mark that, I pull in another one of these MIDI third boxes with the floral at the corner. The little robe and slippers icon is from Crafts by Towie. I love the rose gold in this kit. There was an option you could choose. This kit could either come in gold or rose gold, and I just love the way that rose gold and purple look together. So I had to pick the rose gold, and all of the beautiful rose gold with the pinks and the blues and the purples in this kit just bring me so much happiness and so much joy. I love how bright it is. Seriously, this kit is probably one of my favorite spreads thus far that I've done in this year. I know, the year's not done yet. It'll be fun to look back and like go through one of my favorite spreads, but I can already tell this one's gonna be my favorite. Anyways, I just marked the gym the same way that I've been marking it all week, with the shoe from White Deer Stationery and the circle from Meg B Makes. Then I wanted to mark that I went over to my parents' house on this day, so I pull in a quarter box from the kit and some florals. The little house is an icon from Crafts by Towie. I tried to keep it as cohesive as possible with my icons this week using Crafts by Towie and White Deer Stationery. I alternated like a non-foiled icon from White Deer Stationery and then a foiled icon with from Crafts by Towie, and so on and so forth. But I feel like it turned out pretty well. I was really happy with how the spread turned out. Okay, so jumping down, I wanted to mark that I just had a bath and a pamper yourself kind of a night. I shaved and exfoliated and all that good stuff. So I pull in another scallop label from the kit, and I layered that with the Half Meadow dividers from Honey Inked. That bathtub icon is from Miss and Meow, which I felt complemented this kit pretty well. Then I wanted to mark that I had a Hulu binge. I believe I was watching Family Guy, just something mindless, because I spent a lot of time in my planning room, kind of just like messing around with my planner spreads and organizing stickers and stuff like that. So yeah, to mark that, I pull in another one of the MIDI square boxes, some deco from Honey Inked. The TV console icon is from Crafts by Towie. Oh, and this is where I put the mini floral deco piece in the center of the TV console back on Thursday as well, because I put it in the center of the TV console here when I marked Hulu binge, and I really liked how that looked. I got that little trick from Rachel at Gathered Plans. I've seen her do that with this particular TV icon as well, and I really liked it. And then to cap off the night, I did some sticker shopping. Like I said, I utilized a lot of these little running shoes from White Deer Stationery, and I wanted to stock up. So to mark that, I pull in another arrow from the kit, and the little credit card icon is from White Deer Stationery. Okay, so jumping over to Sunday, I wanted to mark church with another floral frame box from the layering page. The lace square box is from Bloom Paper Studio. All the deco is from Honey Inked, and the little church icon is from Crafts by Towie. I will pull in a church script very soon, and that is from Planner Kate. It's my favorite script to mark church with. I love the font. It's pretty dainty and cute. Then I wanted to mark that I cleaned my kitchen on this day, so I pull in a third box from the kit and some florals. The little clean kitchen icon is from Crafts by Towie, and the custom script is one that my mom made. Then I wanted to mark editing this plan with me. I pull in a bowstring box from the Giving Girl. I layer that over top of some vine deco from Honey Inked. The laptop is from Rose and Tea Shop, and then I pull in some deco from the deco page from this kit. Then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark pre-planning for this upcoming week in my functional planner. I just pull in a layering hexagon from the kit, and the planner spread icon is from Crafts by Towie. Here are the leftovers that I had from this kit, along with the Viv Wiggle. I had so much fun planning with this kit. I had never ever planned with a kit from Twolilbees before, and oh my gosh, it is amazing. I had so much fun. This spread turned out so pretty. I'm a huge fan of Twolilbees now, and I just can't stop staring at the foiling. But anyways, if you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.